So next up, we've got the kipping handstand push-up. And as always, kipping helps us increase the amount of total work capacity in a smaller amount of time by doing more work. The only thing is it needs to come with a prerequisite of having soft tissue strength so that we don't get injured. So as always, try and do the strict handstand first, and then if you can, move on to the kipping from there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up to a normal handstand push-up position. So kicking up, getting set up. As always, I always recommend spending a bit of time in that lockout position first, just to get used to it, build some time under tension in that lockout. From there, we're gonna put our head on the mat and we're gonna get comfortable going from the bottom up. So what we're gonna do is get comfortable there. He sees elbows tucking against his ribs. What we're gonna do is push our bum closer towards the wall, so we've got a bit of a fulcrum off the wall here. Then we're gonna bring our knees down to our elbows. We're gonna open our knees up so we get a bit of glute activation, and we start to use the hips for as much power as we can. So from here, now we're gonna drive and extend the hips open and press through our shoulders to supplement the movement. So majority of the movement comes from the hips. We'll go one more rep. So always set up from the bottom, bringing the knees down to the elbows as far as you can, and then kick as hard as you can, and opening up the shoulders at the same time. So you're getting hips and shoulders pressing through the floor, which should make it a little bit easier. Now, if you're a beginner, you can use this to start with. Just know that it does come up there with a risk of neck injury because you're putting so much weight through your neck that you're probably not ready to build on, but it does help you get through a few reps if you're wanting to try it out.